Here are 3 methods to remove duplicates in Excel. Method 1 is the standard tool. Click anywhere inside of your data, go to your Data tab, and then go ahead and click the Remove Duplicates. Make sure that My Data Has Headers is checked, since we do have some headers here. And pay attention, because if you leave all of them checked, what happens is that it'll look for all the rows where every single cell is identical. So say, for example, we just want to remove duplicates for the rep. We'll go ahead and click rep and then hit OK, and it'll remove all the duplicates where we had our rep that was repeating. Now, for the second method, if you aren't sure which ones are duplicates, don't delete them yet. First, go ahead and highlight them. For example, we want to go ahead and look at our rep, highlight rep and go to home. Click conditional formatting and then hit highlight cell rules. Go down to duplicates, and this will show you all the duplicates for our rep here. If we wanted to do the same for region, go ahead and select region, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. This will show us all the duplicate values for the region. And last, we can do the same thing for, say, for example, order date. See, we only have 3 duplicates for our order date. And this essentially helps us understand which duplicates we want to remove before implementing method 1. Finally, if you want to keep your original data safe and just extract a clean list somewhere else, use the unique function. So go ahead and click the desired cell that you want, type equals unique, and then you can go ahead and select all of your data, hit enter, and this will show all of your data, removing the duplicates. So for example, Jones, our rep, we had the first 3 rows here were duplicated, but using the unique function, those duplicates are now removed. So if you add more duplicates to this original list later, this formula will automatically update.